Alright, so today I'll be installing a window seal for my portable air conditioner. Now this is specifically for tilt windows, and I'll describe the entire process as we go along. So we start by taking the grill cover off, and the first real step really is to clean the entire surface of the window properly, where you're gonna place the velcro tape so it sticks nicely. And I'm just cutting small pieces of this velcro tape, and the idea is that you're gonna cover the entire inner border and the outer border of the window with velcro. So just like this. I am making sure everything is cut to size and stuck properly, and just pressing it down firmly. And I'm gonna do this around all four corners of the inside of the window, and I'm gonna do the outside border after. So enjoy the process. And here I just want to make sure how much room I have to play with, so in case the cloth is not wide enough, I'd make adjustments accordingly. But no, we're fine. We don't need that much space. So once the inner borders are complete, I'm gonna do the outer ones, and you can see where the opening lever is. I'm gonna go around it, so I'm not just leaving any space open. I'm kind of paranoid with bugs and whatnot, so I want to make sure that all corners are properly secured. So yeah, a lot of it is just cutting the strip to size and just making sure it's nice and firm and it sticks properly. So once all the velcro tape is on, the only thing that's left really is to put the cloth on. So you want the opening to be around at the lower third of the window, and you just start by sticking the outer border of the cloth with the outer border of the window, and same thing with the inner ones. And that's how you're gonna make sure that it's stuck on and firm. No gaps, no spaces. Just press nice and hard. Just slide your finger. So this opening will be where the exhaust hose will be attached, and I had a lot of extra cloth, so what you could do is cut it, or for extra protection you could use it all the way, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some more tape on the inner borders and the outer frame of the window and stick it all around. Once it's on, you can open the window as it's nice and secure. It looks good. Doesn't seem to have any open spaces. This is where the exhaust hose is gonna be. It's nice and windproof, waterproof, so even if it rains, you're good. Just put your exhaust hose through here, and that's it. That's how you install a window seal for a tilt window. And if you have any questions, always feel free to let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.